Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Webtoon coin shop is not working. If Webtoon coin shop is not working, then this is the video for you. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So watch to the end. The first step is make sure you check your internet current connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem for the app. So turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this will remove small bugs and glitches. And the another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app. Then click on update option if it is available. Old version may not work properly. So the other step is clearing app cache. Clearing app cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So for the go to your phone setting, then go to your app management or apps, click on app list or apps, then search for the app, then tap on storage and cache, then click clear cache. Clearing cache can fix temporary files causing problems. So the on the step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. And the last step is check payment method. Make sure your credit card, PayPal, or App Store payment method is valid and working. Sometimes transaction fail due to expired or invalid payment info. So that's it. That's how you can fix the open coin shop is not working issue. And these are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.